Map it. What kinds of maps are there? How can we use them? What kind of picture can show a whole country? A map can. A map is a special kind of picture that people can use to locate places. There are many kinds of maps. This is a map of our country, the United States. Two other countries, Canada and Mexico, touch the United States. The lines on the map are borders, which divide countries and states from each other. This map also shows all of the states in our country. The states are different colors. Two states, Hawaii and Alaska, are pictured in special boxes called insets. This is because they are located far beyond the boundaries of the map. Which states in our country are the biggest? Which states are the smallest? What else can you see on this map? You can see bodies of water. The Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico are all large bodies of water that surround the United States. Which is the highest? A mountain, a hill, or flat land? A mountain is highest, as this kind of map shows. Look at the colors on the map. They show the height of different parts of land in the United States. The map also shows the oceans around our country and some of its big lakes and rivers. The map has a key. A map key gives information about the map and helps you to use it. This key shows you which areas on the map are flat, hilly, or mountainous. The purple areas show mountains, which are the highest kind of land. The green areas show lands that are mostly flat. The orange areas show hilly land, which means the land is raised and rounded. The blue areas on the map show bodies of water. Oceans, lakes, and rivers are shown in blue. Can you find mountains on the map? How can you tell this area has mountains? Take a look at Florida. Is the land there flat, hilly, or mountainous? What about your state?
This map shows the whole Earth. You can see all of the land. Sometimes there are many countries on one continent. There are 54 countries in the continent of Africa. A continent may also have no countries. Antarctica, the continent at the South Pole, has no countries at all. Earth's oceans are giant bodies of water that are all connected. However, we usually think of them as separate oceans. A compass rose shows the 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. North is the direction toward the North Pole. South is the direction toward the South Pole. If you are facing north, east is to your right, west is to your left, and south is behind you. Look at the compass rose. Can you find the continent that is east of Europe? Can you find the ocean that is west of North America? Which continents have you visited? Which continents would you like to visit? Another way of viewing the whole Earth is by looking at a globe. Have you ever used a globe to see the world? You can spin a globe to see all of the water and land on our planet. A globe is a model of Earth. Like Earth, a globe is round.
On a map, places look smaller than they really are. Imagine if you had to show a full-size mile on a map. The map would be much too big for anyone to use. That is why a map scale is so helpful. This map shows imaginary towns that are close to each other and the special places in each town. Look at the map scale. This scale tells us that 1 inch on the map is equal to 1 mile. We can use a ruler to find out how many inches are between 2 places on the map. Then we can figure out the best route for getting from one place to another. Do you see where Raoul lives in the town of York? Do you see the stadium in the town of Branson? Imagine that Raoul wants to go to the stadium. How could he get there? You can measure the distance between the two places on the map. Every inch between the two places stands for a mile. How many miles is it from Raoul's house to the stadium? How many miles is it from the stadium to the airport? Imagine Raoul wants to go from the airport to the zoo. How would he get there? How many miles is it? Where else could Raoul go? How long will it take him to get there? Maps come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. They can show all of the continents on Earth or just a few streets in a town. Learning how to use maps can help us get from place to place.